Hi, everyone. Jason from Hedge Plus. We're talking livestock markets, and they've been wild. Cattle market down big yesterday. Still in just kind of trading a big range, not necessarily new lows, but cash market kind of weaker. That's expected when futures have been down quite a bit. Government still talking about importing from other countries, bringing beef in. We still don't have the border open with Mexico, so that's going to be something I thought would provide better support. It looked like it was going to. Monday, we had a big rally. That's been negated. So we're at risk here where when the government's talking about controlling or bringing down beef prices, I can't imagine funds want to be involved with that market. So I think there's risk of going down. Now, that will mean we'll have some ups as well. But you lose the fund money, the managed money, the funds. That doesn't come screaming back into these markets. That's the problem we're dealing with right now. So I'm using strength to make sure we have downside covered. If you look at the long-term charts, we're still elevated. Cattle markets are. So just make sure you got things covered. Now, at the end of the day, we don't quickly rebuild our supplies. I don't think Argentina, for example, is capable of replenishing and making sure we have plenty of beef to go around. So we're still tight. I think that limits how far down we need to go, but the risk is to the downside when you have things going on that are going on. Hog market still in trouble. Nice rally on Monday, big pop that looked like, okay, we'll break this downtrend, kind of come up a bit. I'm looking for 85 in December hogs. I think that's a reasonable level to get back to. But now we're sliding again, new lows yesterday. I want the market to kind of hold around, kind of show that it doesn't want to fall too far below 80. But we might see lower before we get chances for better upside here. So again, we'll be looking to use rallies to make sure downside is covered or sales are being made. Have a good rest of the week. We'll be back next week with more livestock market news. Thanks.